In 2026, the car industry has a secret they don't want you to know. Most modern cars are built to be disposable. Between the fragile turbochargers, the overcomplicated electronics, and the cheap interior plastics, today's cars are lucky to survive 10 years, let alone decades. But there is a different way. Imagine driving a car that feels just as solid today as the day it left the showroom 10, 15, or even 20 years ago. A car where the engine is so over-engineered that 300,000 miles is considered just getting started. Let's start this list with the crown jewel of Japanese engineering, the 2016 Lexus LS 460. If you want to understand why Lexus dominates reliability rankings, you have to look at this car. By 2016, Lexus had been producing this specific generation for nearly a decade, which means they didn't just build a car, they perfected a masterpiece. They took every tiny flaw from the earlier 2007 models and engineered them out of existence. Under the hood lives the legendary 4.6-liter 1UR-FSE V8. In 2026, where every new car seems to have a tiny, stressed-out 3-cylinder turbo engine, this naturally aspirated V8 is a breath of fresh air. It produces 386 horsepower with zero drama. It's an under-stressed engine, meaning it's built to handle way more power than it actually puts out, which is exactly why these engines can easily sail past the 300,000-mile mark without breaking a sweat. But the reliability of the LS 460 goes deeper than just the engine. This car was built at the Tahara plant in Japan, widely considered the finest automotive factory in the world. The workers there are Takumi masters, craftspeople who spend decades perfecting their trade. They check every engine with a stethoscope and hand-buff the paint to a mirror finish. This level of human obsession is why, 10 years later, a 2016 LS 460 still feels tighter and quieter than a brand new 2026 luxury sedan. Inside, it's a vault. You get semi-aniline leather, real Shimomoku wood trim, and a climate concierge system that monitors your body temperature to adjust the air. But here is the best part for your wallet. By 2016, Lexus updated the air suspension and the brake actuator, the two most expensive things that used to fail on earlier models. Pro mechanics tip: if you're shopping for one, look for the AWD or L, long wheelbase, versions for maximum comfort, but keep an eye on the control arms. Because it's a heavy, solid machine, the suspension bushings can wear out around 100,000 miles. Replace them with high-quality parts once, and you're good for another decade. Buying a 2016 LS 460 isn't just buying a used car. It's buying the peak of V8 luxury before the world changed forever. It is, quite simply, the last of the greats. If the LS 460 is a velvet glove, this next legend is the iron fist inside it. Meet the 2007 Lexus LX 470. In the world of off-roaders and luxury SUVs, there is the Lexus LX, and then there is everything else. 2007 was the final and most perfected year of the 100 series chassis, a platform so legendary that it is still the primary choice for UN peacekeepers and explorers in the harshest deserts on Earth. The heart of this beast is the 4.7-liter 2UZFE V8. This isn't just any engine. It is one of the only engines in Toyota's history to feature a cast-iron block. While modern engines use aluminum for weight savings, Lexus used iron for pure, unadulterated strength. This engine is famously known as a million-mile motor. It doesn't care about extreme heat. It doesn't care about sub-zero temperatures, and it certainly doesn't care about 200,000 miles on the odometer. To this engine, that's just a warm-up. But don't let the rugged bones fool you. Inside, it is pure Lexus luxury from the golden era. We're talking about real bird's-eye maple wood, thick leather that was designed to withstand decades of sun exposure, and a build quality so high that, even after 20 years, you won't hear a single squeak or rattle when you're driving over rocks. It is essentially a Toyota Land Cruiser that went to finishing school. In 2026, these are becoming high-value collector items, and for a good reason. People are realizing that a brand new $100,000 SUV with a complex hybrid system and plastic body panels can't do what this old tank can. The LX470 offers a level of mechanical honesty that has completely vanished from the market. Pro Mechanics tip: to make this car last for the rest of your life, you only need to watch two things. First, the timing belt. This is an interference engine, so change that belt every 90,000 miles without fail. Second, the AHC, Active Height Control, suspension system. Many people fear it, but the secret is simple. Change the AHC fluid every few years. If the sensors or globes eventually wear out, don't scrap the car. Either fix the system for a cloud-like ride or swap it for a standard Land Cruiser suspension and drive it into the next century. If you want a vehicle that will literally outlive you, the 2007 LX470 is the only answer. If you are looking for a vehicle that refuses to die, you need to look at the 2012 Lexus GX 460. In 2026, we call this the last dinosaur, and I mean that as the highest possible compliment. While almost every other luxury SUV has moved to unibody frames and complicated Turbo 4 engines, the GX 460 sticks to the old-school recipe for immortality. Body-on-frame construction and a naturally aspirated V8. This car is built on the same heavy-duty platform as the Toyota Land Cruiser Prado. It wasn't designed for the mall parking lot. It was engineered to traverse continents where there are no roads. The heart of the GX is the 4.6-liter 1URF EV8. Unlike the timing belt in the LX we just talked about, this engine uses a massive timing chain, meaning one of the biggest maintenance headaches is completely eliminated. This engine is legendary for being under-stressed. It delivers 301 horsepower so effortlessly that it never feels like it's working hard, which is the secret to its 300,000-mile longevity. But why the 2012 model specifically? Because by 2012, Lexus had perfected the early tech issues, but they hadn't yet moved to the massive spindle grille of the later years, making this the sweet spot for value. Inside, you are surrounded by materials that feel permanent. The switchgear has a tactile, heavy click that modern touchscreens can never replace. It's a cabin designed to be operated with gloves on in the middle of a desert, while feeling like a 5-star hotel. In 2026, the GX 460 has a cult following. Smart buyers realize that this car is essentially a cheat code for reliability. You are getting a luxury SUV that can tow your boat on Saturday and take you to a black tie event on Sunday, all while being more reliable than 99% of the cars on the road today. Pro Mechanics tip: the GX 460 is nearly perfect, but it has one specific Lexus quirk you need to check: the valley plate coolant leak. It's a slow leak that can happen between the cylinder banks. If you're buying one, have a mechanic look for pink crusty residue under the intake manifold. If it's dry or if it's already been resealed, you are looking at a vehicle that will likely be the last car you ever need to buy. Change the oil every 5,000 miles, keep the underside clean from salt, and this dinosaur will still be roaming the earth long after the plastic SUVs of today have been recycled into soda cans. If the previous two tanks on this list were built for the apocalypse, the 2007 Lexus ES350 was built for something much more common but equally demanding: the daily grind. In 2026, we've seen car prices skyrocket and maintenance costs double, which makes the ES350 the smartest financial move you can make. Why? Because this car is essentially a Toyota Camry that went to grad school and came back with a PhD in luxury. Under the hood lies the heart of a champion, the 3.5-liter 2GR FEV6. If you ask any veteran mechanic which engine they'd trust to go 300,000 miles with nothing but basic oil changes, this V6 is always in the top 3. It's a smooth, naturally aspirated masterpiece that produces 272 horsepower. Plenty of power to merge onto the highway with total confidence, but without the complexity of modern turbos that tend to fail and drain your bank account. What makes the 2007 ES350 so special is its simplicity as luxury philosophy. It's front-wheel drive, which means it's easier to maintain, better in rain or light snow, and provides a completely flat floor for your rear passengers. Inside, the cabin is a fortress of silence. Lexus used high-quality glass and enough sound-deadening material to make you forget that you're stuck in rush-hour traffic. It's not a sports car. It's a high-speed sofa designed to lower your heart rate. In 2026, this car represents the sweet spot. It's old enough to be incredibly affordable, but it was built during an era where Lexus materials were still heavy-duty. The leather is thick, the wood is real, and the buttons have a solid feel that modern touchscreens simply can't match. Pro mechanics tip: to keep an ES350 running for decades, you only need to check a few specific things. Early 2007 models had a rubber VVTi oil line that could leak. Most have been replaced by now, but make sure yours has the all-metal line. It's a cheap part that prevents a catastrophic engine failure. Also, check the dashboard. These were prone to getting sticky in the sun. If you find one with a clean interior and a solid service history, you aren't just buying a used car, you're buying a decade of peace of mind. It's the ultimate proof that you don't need to spend $50,000 to drive a car that will never, ever let you down. If you want a car that lasts for decades but you don't want to sacrifice the fun factor, the 2012 Lexus GS 350 is your answer. In 2026, many driving enthusiasts are frustrated because modern sports sedans are filled with fragile technology and engines that feel like they have an expiration date. The 2012 GS 350, however, was built to be a German killer, a car designed to compete with the BMW 5 Series on performance, but with the legendary reliability of a Toyota. This was the first year of the fourth-generation GS, and Lexus went absolutely overboard with the engineering. They increased the body rigidity by 14% using extra spot welds and laser welding. Why does that matter for longevity? Because a stiffer body doesn't flex over time, meaning even after 15 years and 200,000 miles, this car doesn't have the squeaks, rattles, or loose feel that you'll find in almost any other luxury sedan of this age. Under the hood is the updated 3.5-liter 2GR FSE V6, producing a crisp 306 horsepower. It uses a sophisticated D4S dual-injection system. This is a crucial detail. Because it has both port and direct injection, it cleans its own valves, preventing the massive carbon buildup issues that plague almost every other modern German luxury car. It's a high-performance engine that is somehow still built to last a lifetime. Inside, the GS 350 is a masterclass in cabin design. The 12.3-inch screen was massive for its time, and the materials used on the dash and door panels are top-tier. It feels like an executive office that can also take a corner at high speeds with perfect composure. It's a rear-wheel drive-based platform, giving it a balanced, athletic feel that makes every drive an event. Pro mechanics tip: the GS 350 is a tank, but because it's a sportier sedan, you need to check the water pump. On these engines, the water pump is a wear item that usually needs attention around the 100,000-mile mark. It's a straightforward fix, but vital for keeping that V6 cool. Also, if the car has the luxury package, check the rear sunshades and the adaptive suspension settings. If you find a GS 350 with a documented service history, you're looking at the perfect blend of excitement and set-it-and-forget-it reliability. It's the car for the person who wants it all: the thrill of the drive and the peace of a Lexus. If you ask any luxury car specialist which SUV has the highest chance of reaching 300,000 miles with only basic maintenance, they won't point to a brand new 2026 hybrid. They will point to this: the 2013 Lexus RX350. This is arguably the most successful luxury crossover ever built, and the 2013 model is the sweet spot of the third generation. Why? Because by this year, Lexus had already ironed out every single manufacturing wrinkle, leaving behind a vehicle that is essentially indestructible. The heart of the RX350 is the same legendary 3.5-liter V6 we've praised before, but in this application, it's tuned for absolute smooth-as-silk reliability. It's paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission that is widely considered one of the most robust gearboxes Toyota has ever produced. In an era where modern SUVs are moving to fragile CVTs or overcomplicated 10-speed transmissions that hunt for gears, the RX350 just works. Every time, every day. But the secret to the RX's longevity isn't just the engine, it's the simplicity of its luxury. Lexus didn't try to reinvent the wheel here. They focused on high-quality bearings, thick gaskets, and heavy-duty cooling systems. This is why you see so many of these in 2026, with 200,000 miles on the clock that still drive like they just rolled off the showroom floor. The interior is a fortress of comfort. The leather is durable enough to survive kids and pets, and the Mark Levinson sound system will still blow your mind. In 2026, the RX350 is the ultimate life hack. You can buy one of these for a fraction of the price of a new plastic crossover, and while the neighbor's new car is in the shop for a software glitch, you'll be cruising in total silence. Pro Mechanics tip: the RX350 is famous for being boringly reliable, but there are two small things to check. First, look at the rear main seal. For any signs of oil weeping, it's rare, but it can happen on high-mileage examples. Second, check the power liftgate struts. They are heavy and can get tired after a decade of use. If those are solid and the oil has been changed every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, this car will likely outlast your desire to drive it. It's not just an SUV, it's a family heirloom that happens to have heated seats and a sunroof. We saved the most modern legend for last: the 2017 Lexus ES300. In 2026, most cars from 10 years ago are starting to look dated and feel fragile. But the 2017 ES300 is a different breed. It features the spindle grille design that still looks brand new today, but underneath that sharp, aggressive styling, it hides the same old-school reliability that made Lexus famous in the first place. Here is the secret most people don't know. The 2017 ES300 AWD doesn't have a small, turbocharged four-cylinder. Instead, it's powered by a detuned version of the 3.5-liter V6, found in the more expensive ES350. This is a massive win for longevity. You are getting a huge, under-stressed engine in a smaller, lighter car. It's like putting a marathon runner's heart into a sprinter's body. Because the engine is never working hard to move the car, the internal components experience significantly less wear and tear compared to the tiny turbo engines you find in its rivals. The 2017 model is the sweet spot for the IS series. It received a major refresh this year, including better suspension tuning and a much improved infotainment screen. The build quality inside is tight. Lexus used a special bonding process for the chassis that involves extra structural adhesives. This means even after a decade of spirited driving, the car doesn't develop those annoying rattles or that loose feeling that plagues BMWs or Audis of the same age. In 2026, the ES300 is the perfect choice for the younger buyer or anyone who wants a compact luxury sedan that won't bankrupt them. It's rear-wheel drive biased, meaning it handles beautifully, but it keeps that Lexus DNA of quietness and comfort. Pro Mechanics tip: the ES300 is incredibly solid, but there are two things to watch for. First, inner tire wear. The IS is known for having a soft bushing in the front lower control arm, which can cause the inside of your front tires to wear out faster than the outside. Replacing these with stiffer bushings is a common one-and-done fix. Second, like the other 3.5-liter V6s on this list, just keep an eye on the water pump around 100,000 miles. Aside from that, this car is a tank in a tuxedo. If you want to look like you're driving a 2026 model while paying 2017 maintenance prices, the ES300 is your winning ticket.